Hello. So today, um, I've done a bigger scale project with an idea of actually bringing it into a live game. And in short, what I'm trying to say is simplified. I'm trying to make it a real game now, and I've taken it from. I'm trying to make a scalable system for as you can see from the background dropper and in general the map, you can see that there's a tycoon. If you're familiar with a tycoon structure, you have a dropper. They have conveyor belts. They have like a thing that claims the drops, a thing that cashes the drops, team color spawn, and the door claim. So what I'm trying to do is we're gonna try and make a tycoon game for it to actually work, and maybe advertise it to actually be starting to earn some type of income from Roblox. Hopefully, there's a lot of competition with tycoon games because they're pretty simple to make. And by simple, I mean two people that know how to make them. They're simple, and it's a pretty easy way of making games. And you can like make, for example, superhero themed. You can make it if something new comes out. You can make it themed to something that comes out. For example, if we have a new type of genre type thing. That's, for example, what is like pretty famous right now, backrooms, because of the movie. You can make like a backrooms themed tycoon, for example. Instead of this being really red team, it can be Captain Clark. This can be Clark, and you can make theme stuff. For example, maybe you have like a random image of Captain Clark on the drops. I don't know, something like that. That's way too deep though. So for now, I'm gonna show what I have done as of now. A quick note about what I've done. I have made it so that the ownership for the tycoons is working. Also, the dropper model should be working. As you can see, there's a clicker. The conveyor belts should be working. Clean part should be working. This is working. Uh, the player getting one tycoon is working. The resetting of the tycoons is working. So as of now, everything I have made is working perfectly fine. With the only thing that is remaining being the progression via buttons to be buying stuff and via customization with models and such, and also possible advertisement and further designing such as sounds, thumbnails, map, etc. So let's go ahead and test this. Let's touch the door. As you can see, I'm added to the really red team, and the owner of the tycoon is also me, which is my name. And now let's go ahead and try some stuff. So we have this strawberry right here, so let's try clicking and see what happens. So you can see stuff come out. And so 7, 6, 8 parts, sorry, went into the pink thing. As you can see, it has generated 4 income, which means if you do quick mouse 8, 4 divided by 8, it means that the price value of each drop should be $5, I guess, 5 money. So you can like start clicking this, and it's gonna spawn parts, and then you can just cash them in, cash them out. I mean, get the income, and it's updated to your stats. Now also, as you can see, this is not activated because nobody has claimed the tycoon yet. You cannot click. Conveyor belt isn't working. You cannot claim. If you're the owner, there's no owner, so nothing's active. And this doesn't claim. But since we have claimed this, this is working, this is working, this is working, and this is working. So that's pretty nice. So let's go ahead and test it out with multiple players and see what happens. Actually, give me a second to do this. So, okay, actually I can't show that because I don't want to screen share right now. I have stuff running in the background and before you close them. So um, actually I could just screen for the server side. Hold on. So let's test it with servers and clients. And I'm just gonna change. Actually, I'm just gonna have this click up. Sure, fuck it. It's fine. Okay. Uh, this server. This is server. Nice. Ignore the um warns. It's nothing about the game. Okay, so you have player one, player two. Let's go ahead and make player one here. And also, just for you see, you cannot claim this. That scared me that slightly, not gonna lie. Okay, can you claim, please? Can you? Oh, never mind. Okay. Let's place this guy over here. Now, if you go ahead and go into player two, as you can see, he can click stuff, he can do this, but also, I've actually done this for cosmetic reasons. As you can see, I can also click this, and the reason I have done this is because originally I wanted it so that the owner could only click the button, but that wouldn't resolve the fact that the click detector is still being detected by the players because it's inside of the model. So I said, fuck it. I'm not really gonna remove the click detector and do just. I'm just gonna leave it so other players can click your thing. I mean, I think that's also a thing that people can do in other games. So if someone wants to click on your stuff or you give income, I don't see why not. As you can see now, the conveyor belt is working. That's working too. Income is updating. Let's go to the other player. Nice. Oh, I went to the same player. Hold on. And also, this is the income that this guy has generated for us because he was clicking. Now, let's see what happens when this player leaves the game. Before I do that, I'm gonna have some money in the deposit, just so you can see. In the withdrawal, sorry. So let's go ahead and leave. As you can see, it has been reset. I cannot do anything, cannot claim it, cannot touch it anymore. I mean, I can. This is the point. Like, it still detects it because it's in the model. But it doesn't matter, it's deactivated, nobody owns this. So you just basically reset the whole thing. And yeah. Now if we had another player and he claims I should be working just fine. Okay, a little error just happened again. So as you can see, he can just keep getting back in and start playing again. Like, it works. So that's nice. So now as I was saying, the only thing that's basically remaining for me to do is to make it so it's progressible via buttons, customize some models plus custom progression for each tycoon. Uh, Maybe I'm gonna make this like a preset, so if I wanna be spam making tycoons of different themes, I can have this and stuff like that. Maybe I can do this in the future and just make it multiple tycoons for multiple income chances or whatever. That's in the future though for now. And basically the only thing remaining again is the button progression, better customization of each tycoon and map, and then maybe custom design plus advertisements such as uh, weapons, models, maybe map details in general, sounds, thumbnails, UIs, etc. So thank you for watching. This was the report of what I have done so far with the tycoons, and if you have watched this far, thank you. I might post another one of these when I'm actually finished with the tycoon game, or maybe the tycoon button progression, and then maybe I'm gonna make another one after I finish a full tycoon. Again, thank you for watching, and see you.